In this tutorial, we'll be unboxing and setting up your new Konfort 750R from TEXA USA. From taking the unit out of the box to showing a step-by-step guide on how to get the unit running and what to be aware of when getting started. You can start by removing the box top and making sure you have space to place it somewhere. Next, cut the zip ties on the backside of the unit. You should be able to easily remove them as well by pulling them out. Now on the front side of the unit, there should be a zip tie to cut as well. Next, unlock both rear wheels on the back side of the machine. Quick tip, if the back side of the machine is facing the wall, make sure to turn the unit around for easy removal in the next few steps. You will now slowly remove the unit off the wooden pallet. It is recommended to have another person help out as well when rolling the backside wheels onto the floor. Once removed off the wooden pallet, a box will be seen. Cut the zip tie to remove the box from the pallet. Now remove the zip ties from the power cord. Plug it into the outlet and flick the switch to turn it on. You'll now see a please wait loading bar on screen. Wait until complete to continue. Once you reach the main screen, we can now proceed on how to activate your machine. First, press the green button to confirm your language to English. Next, confirm your region by pressing the green button again. Once at the operating mode screen, highlight activation and press the green button to confirm. At this point, you would use your unlock code provided by TEXA USA. Please enter it at this screen and press the green button once complete. A firmware unlock confirmation screen will appear once complete. At the workshop data screen, enter your company's info including owner, address, phone number, and fax number. Information will be pre-filled by default, so change to your liking with the required data during this initial setup. Once all information is entered, an auto-check confirmation screen will appear. Press the green button to complete. The TEXA logo will now appear on screen. Press the green button once more. Congratulations, you have now completed the initial setup for your Konfort 750R. One more thing to keep in mind is the SD card on the side. This area allows you to transfer updates from TEXA USA to your machine via computer. All needed adapters come included for whenever updates are available to download. For more information on TEXA USA, be sure to visit us at texausa.com or to call at 855-200-8392. Thank you.